Hello everyone, welcome to Finance by Avisha and Arpita. In today's video, we'll understand the P&L statement. So, talking about the overview of the financial statement, you can think about the financial statement from two different angles, from the maker's perspective and from user's perspective. A maker prepares financial statement. He is typically a person with accounting background. His job involves preparing ledger entries, matching bills and receipts, tallying the overflow versus outflow, auditing, etc. The final objective is to prepare transparent financial statement that best represents the company's true financial position. To prepare such a financial statement, certain skills are required. Usually, these skills are developed through um, rigor of chartered accountants training program. On the other hand, the user just need to be in position to understand what the maker has prepared. He is just the user of the financial statement. He need not really know the details of the journal entries or the audit procedure. His main concern is to read what is being stated and use it to make his decision. To put this in context, think about Google. Most of us do not understand Google's complex search engine algorithm that runs in the backend. However, we all know how to use Google effectively. Um, Such is the distinction between the maker and the user of the financial statement. A common misconception against the market participants is that they believe the fundamental analysts need to be through with financial statement preparation concepts. While knowing this certainly helps, it is not really required to be a fundamental analyst. One need to be the user and not the financial statement maker. There are three main financial statements that a company showcases to represent its performance: the P&L statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Over the next few videos, we will understand each of the statement from the user's perspective. So now coming to the second part, the P&L statement. The profit and loss statement is also popularly known as the P&L statement. So income statement, statement of operation and statement of earning. The profit and loss statement shows what has transpired during a time period. The P&L statement reports information on the revenue of the company for the given period, yearly or quarterly, the expenses incurred to generate the revenue. Third part would be tax and depreciation, earning per share number. From my experience, the financial statement are best understood by looking at the actual statement, figuring out the information. So here is the P&L statement of Amara Raj Batteries, ARBL. Let us understand every item, every line item, you can say. So the top line of the company revenue. You may have heard analysts talking about the top line of the company. When they do so, they are referring to the revenue side of the P&L statement. The revenue side is the first line of the company, of the basically the first line of numbers that the company represents in the P&L statement. Before we understand the revenue side, let us notice few things mentioned on the header of the P&L statement. You can see the P&L, the header clearly states the statement of P&L for the year ending March 2014. Hence, it is an annual statement and not a quarterly statement. Also, since it is as of March 31st, 2014, it is evident that the statement is for financial year 13-14, or it can be referred as for the year 14 numbers. All the currencies denoted in rupee million. Um, Note 1, million rupees is equal to 10 lakh rupees. It is up to the company's discretion to decide which unit they prefer to express their numbers in. The particulars show all the main headings of the statement. Any associated note to the particulars is present in the note section, also called the schedule. An associated number is assigned to the note number. By default, when companies report the numbers in the financial statement, they present the current year number on the leftmost column and the previous year to the rightmost. In this case, the number are for the year 14 latest and for the year 13 previous. The first line number on the revenue side is called the sales of product. Since we know we are dealing with a batteries company, clearly the sale of company means the rupee value of all the value of the battery sale the company has sold during the year 2014. The sale stands at 3804,127 and 4 times 0, or it is 3804 crores. The company sold batteries worth rupees 3294 crores in the previous financial year for the year 2013. Please note, I will restate all the numbers in rupee crores as I believe this is more intuitive to understand. The next line item is the excise duty. This is amount to rupees 400 crores. The company would pay to the government, hence the revenue must be adjusted. The revenue adjusted after the excise is the net sales of the company. The net sales of ARBL are rupees 3403 crores for the year 2014. The net sales is 3403 crores for the year 2014. The same was rupees 2943 crores for the year 2013. Apart from the sales of the product, the company also draws revenue from services. This could preferably be in form of annual battery maintenance. The revenue for the sales of the services stand out to be 30.9 crore for the year 2014. The company also includes other operating revenue at rupees 2.1 crores. This could be revenue, the sales of the products or the services that is incidental to the company's core operation. Finally, the revenue from sales of product plus sales of services plus other operating revenue sums to give the company's total operating revenue. This is reported at rupees 3436 crore for the year 2014 and 2959 crores for the year 2013. Interestingly, there is a note numbered 17 associated with net revenue from operations. Will help us inspect this further. Do recall in the previous video we had discussed notes and schedules of the financial statement. The following snapshot, this one, gives the details of the note 17. The note clearly gives a more detailed analysis of the split up of revenue from operations, does not include other income details, As you can see under the particular section, A talks about the split up under sales of products. Sales of storage battery in the form of finished goods for the year 2014 is rupees 3523 crores versus 3036 crore for the year 2013. Sales of storage battery is 208 crores for the year 2014 versus 149 in 2013. Stock in trade refers to the finished good of the previous year being sold in this financial year. Sales of home UPS sold in goods is at rupees 71 crores and for the year 14 versus rupees 109 crores for the year 13. And net sales from the sale of product adjusted for excise duty amount to 3403 crores, matching the number reporting in the P&L statement. Likewise, we can notice the split up for the revenue from sales. The revenue number of rupees 30.9 tallies with the number reported in the P&L statement. In this note, the company says the sales of the processed scrap generates revenue of rupees 2.1 crore. Note the sales of the processed scrap is incidental to the operation of the company, hence reported as other operating revenue. Adding up all the revenue streams of the company, that is 3403 crores plus 30.9 crores plus 2.1 crores, gets up the net revenue from operations, that is 3436 crores. You can also find similar split ups for the year 2013. If you notice the P&L statement, apart from net revenue from operations, ARBL also report other income of rupees 45.5 crores. Note number 18 reproduced below explain what the other income is about. So we can see the other income include income that is not related to company's main business. It includes interest in bank deposit, dividend, insurance claim, royalty income, etc. Usually the other income, and it should a small proportion of the total income. A large other income usually draws a red flag demanding a further investigation. So, adding up revenue from operations rupees 3436 crores and other income rupees 45 crores, we have the total revenue for rupees 3482 crores for the year 2014. So the key takeaways from this video are: the financial statement provide information and convey the financial position of the company, and a complete set of financial statement include the P&L account, balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. The financial analyst is a financial statement user, and we need to know what the maker of the financial statement states. The P&L statement gives the profitability of the company for the year under consideration. The P&L statement is an estimate, as the company can revise the numbers at a later point. Also, by default, the company published data for the current year and the previous year side by side. The revenue side of the P&L is called the top line of the company. Revenue from operations is the main source of revenue for the company. Other operating income include revenue incidental to the business. The other include revenue from non-operating sources. The sum of revenue from operation net of duty, other operating income, and other income gives the net revenue from operations. So this is all about understanding the P&L statement. This is part 1. We'll come up with part 2 in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.